Tengen Uzui is the epitome of style and strength, a warrior who fights with explosive flair. As the sound Hashira, he wields dual Nichiren cleavers linked by a chain, using his powerful sound breathing to turn battles into dazzling displays of destruction. A former shinobi, he combines incredible speed, precision, and raw power, making him a lethal force against demons. Despite his flamboyant persona, he's deeply caring, especially toward his three wives and comrades. With a fearless attitude and an unshakable will, Tengen proves that being flashy isn't just about looks, it's about domination.